First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To create an AI image, start by opening the image generation tool from the main dashboard. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image you want Leonardo AI to create. This is one of the most important parts of the entire process because your prompt tells the AI what to generate. For example, you could write something like, a futuristic city at night, glowing skyscrapers, wet streets reflecting neon lights, cinematic lighting. Highly detailed and realistic. Notice how the prompt describes the subject, environment, lighting, and visual style. Adding these details can give Leonardo AI a much clearer idea of what you want. Next, review the available model and generation settings. Depending on the current Leonardo AI interface and your account, you may have different models, aspect ratios, image settings, and other controls. Choose the settings that fit your project. If you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, you may want a landscape format. For a social media post, you might prefer a square or portrait format. Now click the Generate button and wait for Leonardo AI to create the images. When the results appear, look through each image carefully. Choose the one that best matches your original idea. If the images aren't quite right, improve your prompt. You can add more information about the character, background, composition, lighting, camera angle, or artistic style. Then generate another set of images and compare the new results with the previous ones. Once you find an image you like, you can use Leonardo AI's available editing or enhancement tools to make further improvements. Finally, save or download the finished image using the available options. With practice, you can create everything from realistic photographs and digital artwork to characters,